How to save a project in Kdenlive. First of all, after opening Kdenlive and starting your video editing, locate the menu bar at the top of the screen. Next, click on the File menu. Here you will find the option Save or Save As. If it is your first time saving the project, click on Save As. This will open a dialog box where you can choose the folder to save your project file. Give your project a meaningful name that is easy to recognize. After naming your project, click the Save button. Kdenlive saves your project file with a .kdenlive extension. For future edits, simply use the Save option to save your progress quickly without renaming. It's a good habit to save frequently as you work to prevent any loss from unexpected issues. That's how you save your project safely in Kdenlive, so you can pick up right where you left off. And that's it. Now you know how to save a project in Kdenlive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.